Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a background on Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And right here, you're going to find these options, new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. So I'm going to click on new project. And then once you do that right here, in the left side, you're going to find the option to choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, and all of the dimensions, DPI, and so on. Here, as you can see, guys, you can choose the background, white, black, transparent, or a custom background. Right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose the size of the picture. Here you can either choose from social, print, photo, screen, mobile, or ads. So I'm going to go to screen and choose this one, for example. As you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find some templates that you can use for your project. So right now I'm going to click on create. And as you can see, guys, right now the project is created. So right now, if you want to add a background, all you need to do, guys, is go to the top left corner, click on file, and then right here, you're going to find new, open in place, open more, and so on. Go ahead and click on open. And then go ahead and choose the background you want to add from your computer. So here in my saved pictures, I'm going to add, for example, this background. And as you can see, guys, now it's added. Right here, if you have a lot of layers, make sure that the background is in the bottom. And then once you finish customizing your photo, all you need to do, guys, is click on file, then click on save in order to save your file. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.